If you're looking for an easy way to set up a membership site, Skool might be exactly what you need, or it might not. In this quick Skool explainer, I'll show you how to use it, what it's great for, and where it falls short. Stick around because I'll also share some better alternatives that give you more control, better customization, and even an exclusive extended free trial. Skool is designed to be the simplest way to build an online community with a built-in membership system. Unlike Kajabi or Teachable, which focus heavily on course creation, Skool combines a community forum, course hosting, and a gamified leaderboard all in one place. Setting up your membership site takes just a few clicks. You create your community, add your course content, and set access rules. But here's where the pros and cons come in. First, the simplicity is great, but it's also limiting. You don't get deep customization like you would with WordPress and MemberPress. If you need advanced funnels, upsells, or email automation, Skool is missing those features. It's more of an all-in-one community-first platform rather than a flexible membership system. Next, pricing. Skool is a flat $99 per month with no transaction fees. That's good if you want predictable costs, but it lacks a free tier. Competitors like Podia and Thinkific offer free plans, and platforms like Circle provide more flexibility in pricing. If you're just starting out, Skool forces you to commit to that monthly fee right away. The third thing, integrations. Skool is pretty limited here. It doesn't natively connect to many tools like Zapier, making automation difficult. Compare that to Kartra or Kajabi, where you can set up email marketing, advanced sales funnels, and upsells. Skool just isn't built for that. If you need a community-driven membership site, it's solid. But if you need a business hub with all the monetization tools, you'll hit roadblocks fast. So, should you use Skool for your membership site? It depends. If you want something simple, focused on engagement, and don't need all the extra marketing tools, it's a great choice. But if you need more flexibility, deeper customization, or built-in sales automation, there are better options. I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to the best alternatives below. These give you more control over your membership site, more features, and better long-term scalability. Plus, you'll get bonuses and extra perks only available through our link. Check them out before you decide.